Do you want to know what I really appreciate the most? I like that there's bird poop right there. That's my favorite. Pose with the bird poop. Stellar.
Right there.
A good look. Cosplay Princess Tutu today. Oh, I'm so pumped. It's gonna be great. Look at this skirt action going on here. It's gonna be, we're living the middle school dream. The middle school dream is being lived today. It's really exciting. And look at these lashes. We are preparing ourselves for the Princess Tutu photo shoot, and Hannah's wig looks amazing. It looks really good. She's gonna be great, a hero, and it's gonna be great, and I'm Rue. You couldn't tell.